In Abuja, the Deputy Speaker House of Representative Rep, Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu has actually asked Igbo people not to join the protest. He said, Ndigbo, do not join the protest because they are looking for a way to kill you. If you come out in the protest, in the name of the protest, they are going to massacre you, they are going to kill you. He said, according to him, Ndigbo has been killed enough. Do not join them in the protest so they don't kill you. I don't know whose purpose Benjamin Kalu is serving with that kind of warning. Is he trying to use a reverse psychology on Ndigbo? Maybe probably because he doesn't want Ndigbo to protest against the government he works with, or he's just doing it genuinely for the interest of Ndigbo. Sochikuma. I do not know Reno Mercury. I don't know what Reno Mercury has to do with P2B. I don't know. I've asked P2B, is kidding me, Reno Mercury? If you do, let us give back to him because Reno Mercury has actually is all over social media